Hi everyone, this is Akila, BTech second year student representing Mega Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad. I welcome everyone to India's first digital conclave on COVID-19. We are presenting a project called Superconducting Synchronous Mission. We have developed this project in order to reduce the stress of the doctors. Today, throughout the world, 24/7 doctors are working continuously to cure the COVID-19 patients. But the availability of doctors is inversely proportional to the number of COVID-19 patients. Let us see in what way our project can be helpful to the doctors. Imagine a condition where the availability of doctors is zero. In such a condition, we can test whether a person is affected with COVID-19 or not by using synchronous machine which works on the principle of rotating magnetic field. What exactly our project contains is a superconducting synchronous machine which contains sensors, microcontroller which is interfaced to the electric motor. Sensors are again classified into temperature and blood flow sensors. Let us speak regarding the word superconductors. Why we are using superconductor instead of using ordinary conductors? Ordinary conductors create alternating magnetic field. In the same way, superconductors create persistent magnetic field whose strength is 1000 times greater than the strength of ordinary magnetic field. The strength of magnetization of this magnetic field which is created because of superconducting materials will have an impact on the COVID-19 virus cells. Now imagine a condition where a person has to be tested whether he is affected with COVID-19 or not. In the absence of doctor, the patient can be placed inside the SSM. First, the machine with the help of sensors scans the human body. Now let us have a look at the normal hand scanning done with the help of magnetic properties of superconducting chip. You can find the normal hand which is only showing the properties of hand. Imagine another person who is having symptoms of COVID-19 is scanned using the sensors inside the SSM machine. Let us have a look at the image. We can clearly see the image how it is different from the image one which is normal hand. So we can observe the presence of COVID-19 cells within the hand. This machine can detect the COVID-19 virus cells and it can cure the COVID-19. That is, it can fight against these virus cells and completely neutralize them within the human body. So what is our technology and what way we can operate this? The superconducting magnetic field is created inside the synchronous machine. This machine contains windings which are displaced by 120 degrees connected in star and which are entirely made up of superconducting materials. The supply given to this machine is three-phase supply which creates rotating magnetic field which is again converted to superconducting persistent magnetic field which has maximum strength. So this huge magnetic field interacts with the skin tissue layer of the human body and finally generates the magnetic properties which we call as the magnetization of human body. Entire human body will be scanned and the skin layer of human body is filled with magnetic properties. Let us have a look at the scanned image of the human body. Just have a look at this one. The blue color indication inside the human body mentioning that the human body is filled with the magnetic materials. So in this way, if the magnetic materials are maximum in number, these magnetic materials can fight against the COVID-19 cells, even neutralize the COVID-19 cells. These magnetic materials increase the immune system of the human body. Now let us observe the image what we have done in the MATLAB software. The next image, patient inside the SSM simulation using MATLAB where the human body is circulated or throughout the human body you can have the magnetic materials and type persistent magnetic field. First image shows that the yellow color graph is indicating the presence of coronavirus cells. In image you can observe clearly when the magnetic property is increasing in number, the number of COVID-19 cells are decreasing and finally eliminated. So this is the way we can even cure the COVID-19 patients in terms of electrical engineering approach. Now let us have a look at the video of our project. That means what exactly we have done in the MATLAB software simulation. Our project contains two blocks, SSM and patient to be placed inside the block. Now let us see what exactly present inside the superconducting machine. We can see a temperature and blood flow sensor, microcontroller, circuit and motor. Now let us see what is exactly inside the motor, how we can create motor diagram in MATLAB. You can see the DC motor. Let us run the DC motor. That means SSM machine contains the machine which rotates, then it starts operating. Now you can see we have started the simulation. The values are changing here. Let us observe the output in the scope 1. You can see the entire screen is empty. It indicates that the person is not affected with COVID-19. Let us check for another person who is affected with COVID-19. You can see the changes in the graph. The curved line indicates that the person is affected with COVID-19. Let us check what exactly the temperature and blood flow sensors contain, how their sensors are made up of. Let us use the second simulation part. We are having a temperature and blood flow sensors block. You can see the MOSFET, diodes and transistors. And now we run the simulation. Let us check for the output values. The values are changing. Check the output in the scope. Now you can see the graph which is in the triangular shape which indicates that the sensors are scanning the human body and they are just identifying the presence of COVID-19 cells. This is the way in which we can cure the COVID-19 patients even in the absence of doctors. Thank you.